for this thing.
I know. It's
Why?
okay. She has people that love
You
her.
are Tati.
Love-and-hate
Oh, you're
relationship.
Tati.
It's okay.
Tati's
I
even
want
better. Hi. All right. Again, to my beautiful goddaughter, Lady Di. I am again extremely proud of you. It's been an honor just to watch you grow up, to watch you blossom, and just to see that you have a really strong, positive attitude. You took your head on your shoulder, and I want you to carry that with you along the way as you are embarking on bigger and better things. There's going to be a lot of challenges, but the good morals, the ethics, everything your mother has instilled in you, I know you're going to use those to make the proper decision every time, right? Just know that we love you. We're going to be here for you no matter what. So don't think you can screw up. There's no screwing up, okay? So we're here and we love you. Just continue to take this world by the storm. Please do what you want to do. Don't regret not doing what you want to do, okay? So, and that's it. Let's get to the next chapter, okay? Yes. We love you. Congratulations.
We can wait to celebrate
Congratulations, Mama.
soon in New York, Atlanta, or tonight.
Exactly. What is it?
We can wait to celebrate in New York.
We can't wait to celebrate.
Or you know what? Or in Colombia. She wants to go to Colombia. We can all go to Colombia.
No, Folly Betty. You come to Folly Betty first.
Oh.
Okay?
You're going to give us a piece of land?
Ask mommy to bring you.
Land?
To no land. You come and celebrate with us.
Where is the
Talking, you
wind?
said?
You see the where's the wind?
There's water there?
Yeah, the ocean.
Can you pass me some wings?
Oh, there's beaches here?
It's beautiful.
Where?
We follow that.
Yes, Folly Betty. Yeah, I live in front of the ocean. So guys, you come to Folly Betty to celebrate. So,
Are you next? Batidada, go ahead.
Well, as you know, you're graduating on my favorite years, 2026, and it was my birthday recently, so we have something in common. I am super proud of you. Like your mom said, you know, you stayed the course. There were some challenges, but you know what? You didn't let that stop you. You stayed on time. You played a good season, too. I watched you perfect your volleyball game. I can't wait to play with you. And I just can't wait. And I'm pleased that we're going to see about that. You know, I still got a little something in me. But I just can't wait to see the addition that you bring into this world. I am so happy to see what you have blossomed into. And let's see, I would love for you to stay in Georgia, but I know some decisions have to be made. But I love to travel, so I can't wait to see you wherever you go. So congratulations to many more.
Yes, thank you.
all right.
Love you.
That's
Say-
my home.